Charles Schwab Brokerage Account Review. So if you want to review about Charles Schwab Brokerage account, then this video is for you. First, you can open up your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So Charles Schwab is one of the largest and most trusted brokerage firms in the US. It offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, EFTs, mutual funds, options, bonds, and futures. It has no account minimums and $0 commission on online stock and EFT trades. It is known for its robust research tools, great customer service, and banking integration. If you want to know about the key functions, then it has $0 commission fees on stocks and EFTs, which means no trading fees for most investments, and fractional shares, which means invest in high-priced stocks with as little as $5. It has real-time market data, screeners, and Schwab's equity ratings. It has free Robo advisory service with automated rebalancing. It has 24/7 customer support. It has cash management accounts with no ATM fees worldwide. If you want to know about the trading platforms, then it also has the mobile application. It has Schwab StreetSmart Edge, which is an advanced desktop platform with powerful charting tools for active traders. And if you want to know about the pros and cons, then it has zero commissions on stocks and EFTs. It has wide range of investment options. It's excellent research and tools. It has no ATM fees. And if you want to know about the cons, then it has high options contract fees, which is $0.65 per contract. And Robo advisory requires a $5,000 minimum balance. It has a limited crypto trading, which is only via Bitcoin. So if you want low fees, great research, and strong customer service, then you can choose Charles Schwab. And maybe not if you need advanced crypto trading or super low options fees. It is great for long-term investing and casual traders, but active traders may prefer some other tools. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.